Tehama, California. The National Weather Service in Sacramento has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Tehama County in Northern California, southwestern Shasta County in Northern California, until 7 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 6:16 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Platina, or near Yalabali District, and is nearly stationary. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Yalabali District, Beacom, Knob, and Platina. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time for the following county: Tehama, California. Here